Okay, quick look through Friday's end of day closing screens. If I have to hit mute, it's because I've got a little bit of a cough and it's extremely painful when I cough or even hiccup, so I might even have to take some painkillers. Not the heavy ones though. Cheers, James. So, steady week for the Bulls. Steady week for the gold stocks. Some pretty good action this week. Not as good as last week, but for me anyway. But a little bit of a melt on. I'll buzz straight into these. I think there's quite a few on the screens tonight, so let me just jump in. Pretty flat the markets today, aren't they? You know, the US is pretty flat as well, a little bit mixed. Just hit the gaps. Cheers, James. Just put through these. See what's gapping up. So I have about 60. How many do I have? 63. Closing highs today. I'll put those in order of sector. I'll get the US screens loaded at some point tomorrow. I might even do it first thing in the morning. I've got to shuffle the motors tomorrow because I've got a friend coming over from Wales and my sister's trimming the dogs as well. So I'll probably try and get it done first thing. Just through these investment trusts. Obviously trail point in the making again there. Let's do these. Yeah, what a great week. Oh, it's not huge in percent, is it? But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, it's not bad at all, actually. Plus 10% week in PAF there. SRB, new closing highs on that one. CNC, new closing highs. It's nice to see. Into the swing points. So I'll just buzz through these and then there's a few on the investment trust, a few on the end of day today. Anti-lithium. Crikey. First time it's hit the screens. How late was retake on these, eh? On that lithium move. Bag holders. Terrible. SDY speedy higher there, expected to return to growth. Yeah, deep pullback that for what it is, isn't it? Fully listed small cap SDY. Staff line. Not one. I mean, look at this. It's not one I trade. Actually, we've seen it before. I don't think I've ever traded it. Could be wrong, but HOC there, obviously going to be in the swings. I'll just go back and commodity related and all that, especially short term chop. Elko, so we kind of covered that one to death, haven't we? Should just bring it over into another. I'll come back to it because we'll look at the volume on that. I think it's can come back to that in about 5 stocks. We'll jump onto another screen and just bring the volume up for today. I'm pretty sure it was if you ran the volume leaders this morning, obviously it was one of the standouts quite early on. So I'm just going to bring it up for you, and I'm going to bring that chart over again. Oh, didn't bring the right one over, did it, that time? So this was Elko this morning, and this is what we're talking about. You know, see all these blocks coming into it. Even some are sells, some are buys. Yeah, you can figure that out yourself quite easily just by sometimes they're not marked up right because it's the software what's doing it. Doesn't matter. It's more a case of a big sell might go on, stock price might go up because, you know, obvious reasons. But buy pressure is undeniable, and you start to see. We traded over 100%, I think, by. Oh, we were up in the sort of. I mean, that's 10 o'clock. We were up in the high sort of. I think it was 70% or something daft. Average daily volume. Just with this lot going through, and then off it went, didn't it? So that's what you want to see. Quite easy. Lots and lots of time. Talked about it in depth, that one. And it ended up with being a high volume swing point on the day. So that's pretty good. Pretty normal pullback. You know, very normal pullback. I'll just bring up this midpoint. This is just 6-month midpoint. And, you know, deeper pullbacks in uptrends. I mean, you can see they don't all come back this far, but it's always interesting when they do. It's not magic. I'll just say that again. There's no magic here, but, you know, swing points from midpoints, you know, can put a low in an uptrend. So that's Elko. Jump into the end of day screens. I'll just punch through these. SRB, we don't need to look at that one again, do we? It's like we've been looking at it for 2 years now. HLC, same really, but there is a swing point on HLC today. So yeah, commodity related, shallow pullback. You know, swings in the metal stocks. Obviously, if the metals have a terrible day, they fail pretty quickly, but no crystal ball. NTBR, Bear, SKL, Skillcast. I've just put this one in as well. SKL. Because it was one with gas in the tank. Skinny numbers. So 0.5 to 1.6 on the pre-tax. Extremely skinny numbers. And obviously extremely skinny price action as well. Next up, IWG. GHH. And Tune. So Tune still down on in the dumps down there, but yeah, no need to be a hero, is there? You know, absolutely no need to be a hero in these things. I can see the return. Well, the tick back up in the numbers. Kind of a lower high in the pre-tax after a terrible posted year, but going in the right direction. Want to revisit if it regains some traction, I would say. So I'll keep it short tonight. There's a lot of content this week, obviously. Quick look back at the US. Have a fantastic weekend, everyone. Cheers all.